Hello everyone, this is Utkarsh here and hope you all are doing good. Today in this video, we will talk about one of the main topic of Python, that means basic operators. We will discuss the definition of operators and talk about the arithmetic operators in detail. I have also made a PDF file of this video whose link I have given in the description box. You could download it by clicking on that link. So before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you could get my new videos at the earliest. Please watch the video till end, and in the end I will ask you a question whose answer you have to give in the comment box. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Let us first talk about what are operators. So by definition, we can easily say that our operators are the tokens that trigger some computation when applied to variables and other objects in an expression. After knowing this, some of may think that what are tokens? So I would like to clear you all that the tokens are the smallest individual units in a program. What are tokens? Tokens are basically the smallest individual units in a program. So this is all about operators. Now let's talk about what are operands. Basically, the variables and objects to which the computation is applied is called operands. For example, if we take two numbers, say 4 and 5, when we add both these numbers, the result we get is 9. Here, it is noticed that the two digits that are 4 and 5, which we are adding, are here the operands, and the plus symbol between this, that means when we use 4 plus 5 is equals to 9, here the plus symbol is the operator. Now let's talk about the different operators which are supported by Python languages. These are total of 7 types of operands. These are arithmetic operators, rational operators, assignment operators, logic operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identify operators. Let's discuss about the arithmetic operators in detail. As you all know, by using addition operators which have plus sign at the given operands. In the same way, subtraction subtract the given operand. Multiplication as usual, which we use in daily, but one thing which is important to know here that its sign is a star, not a cross, which we not a cross like X which we use generally in our daily life. Division is also same as usual. The next in the arithmetic operator is modulus, repeating slash, represented by slash. It's given the remainder value in integer. The next operator, but not the least, is exponent operator. It is also called raised to power. Its symbol is double star. Suppose we want to get the value of 5 raised to the power. So we will write 5 double star 3, and this gives the value 125. Our last arithmetic operator is floor division operator. Its symbol is double slash. This is almost like the division operator but slightly different. When we use floor division operator, the result, or we could say the quotient we get in, is always an integer value. The Python will by default neglect the fractional value of the quotient and displays output only with integer value. For example, if you divide 3 by 2, the quotient you will in daily life you get 1.5. But when you use the floor division method, you only get the quotient as 1. So here in the 0.5 value is neglected by the Python. Now I remind you again that when we use division method, we get the output including fractional values or point values. Since students have some confusion in between these two operators, so this question is always asked in your exam, such as give difference between the division arithmetic operators and floor division arithmetic operators. Now, I hope you know I hope you now have cleared all your doubts about these two. If you have further any confusion, please write in the comment section without any hesitation. I will try my best to solve your doubts. So this is all about the arithmetic operator. As I said earlier, in the end I will ask you a question, and today's question is, who is the developer of Python programming language? Please write the answer in comment section. So ending this video, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.